Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks MAAYA SAKAMOTO collaboration, and this will be for this week, week 6 of 2022. So here are the materials that we will be using for today. We have the ruler and the brush pens. I will use other brush pens later on, but first let's go ahead and make our horizontal lines on our left page. So here I'm just following the lines that are already in the planner to divide the days. I'm also extending the dailies onto the right side of the page until that line that's also in the planner. I do this quite often, if not every week, as I like to have daily sections in my planner. I'm also putting down another horizontal line 2 grids down from the line I just made. And I'm matching that to the left page. I'm not extending it all the way to the left hand side. I start after the date stamps. And this is what it should look like. I'll explain a little bit more later, but now let's go ahead and deepen that vertical line in the planner, and then I'm shading 1 grid column in the same brush pen that I had used. So this is what the page looks like. Now I've pulled a light gray brush pen and I divide the left page into 3 columns. After that, I'm taking a Tombow, and this is in a warmer gray, to make dots. I'm using the ruler to guide me writing down the dots or dotting the page. There will be 4 dots in each column, and I like it to be as straight as I can. This side of the Hobonichi Weeks does not have a grid. That's why I needed my ruler to make sure that I am making the dots as straight as I can. And this is what we have now. Next, let's go ahead and use the same light gray as before and make a line connecting all of the dots. This is what we have so far, and I'll explain why we did that in a little bit. So this side is the schedule, while that box is the focus, and the box underneath are the top 3 tasks per day. Now let's go ahead and make the headers. As per usual, I'm going to highlight first and then write over it later. I'm using my Pilot 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 mica to write tiny little numbers on top of the dots. Now my writing is very small, so this is very easy for me to do, but you can also write over the dots. So I'm writing the numbers, and this will represent the time, and this is another timeline schedule layout. I'm writing the headers in script as per usual. So I have other to-dos and info dump in a BuJo style, and then next week. So let's fill it in a little bit so you can see how this layout is used. I have a small deadline on Monday, and that will be Monday's focus. And then I think I will have time to do other tasks. Now mind that this is my main planner, so I also list home things, not just work things. Unfortunately, I haven't ordered a Hobonichi yet. I am on the fence if I'm going to actually do that, but we shall see. So here my focus for the weekends are filming. And then I almost forgot to put in the numbers for that column. And I'm writing 1 through 5, but you can also fit 6. This is going to be my vertical habit tracker, and at the bottom of that page, I'm writing down the legend. So here I just have a few things that I am tracking. You can add more, well, you can add up until 6, and I'll just cross them out later. I'm making another legend on that space across from the first one, and this is for the timed schedule. The symbols will go under the time dots, and you can always write more, but I have place, appointments, food, others, the start of my day, and other tasks. I will also write daily notes under the timeline, and I can't wait to show you guys the completed version of this page. So let me show you a close-up of what we have done today. It's very clean now, but it has the potential to get very messy, and I cannot wait. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.